Learning how to learn online. Tabs multiplying, videos autoplaying, notifications blinking. We've never had more knowledge at our fingertips, and yet we've never felt more lost inside of it. The internet promised us mastery, any skill, anytime, anywhere, but somewhere between the endless tutorials and social media timelines, learning just became noise. We see headlines everywhere: how to code in 10 minutes, learn a language while you sleep, master anything fast. So our cursor hovers. We click, we skip, we click again, and we skip again, and we skip again. We've started to confuse having access to information with actually understanding it. We binge watch educational content, but we're starving for real insight. Because learning online isn't the same as just learning. Real learning begins with a question. Not with a platform, not with the algorithm. It begins with you. The people who truly learn and grow online don't just start with consuming content, they start with their own curiosity. And here's the hidden truth. The internet is not a teacher, it's a library. And a library only truly helps those who know how to ask the right questions. Think about it. It's about rewatching a 30-second clip over and over until it clicks. It's pausing a video to actually take notes. It's explaining a concept out loud to an empty room just to see if you get it. It's making mistakes in your code, or your art, or the new language you're trying to learn. Online learning only works when you slow it down. You have to pause, test yourself, explain, and yes, even struggle. Because your brain doesn't learn when you just watch. It learns when you wrestle with the material. Picture two scenarios. On the left, someone endlessly scrolling through tutorials. On the right, someone focused on one lesson, practicing it deeply. One person consumes 10 different courses. Another person masters one single concept. Who do you think actually learns? Depth will always beat volume. Your sticky notes accumulate. Your progress becomes visible. The online world rewards speed, but real learning rewards friction. Confusion is not a sign of failure. It's the doorway to understanding. Every single time you think, I don't get it, that's your brain literally rewiring itself. And what about the biggest myth of all? That online learning has to be solitary. The best learners don't just consume knowledge, they share it. They teach it to others, they debate it, they build something with it. Because your understanding only deepens when it leaves your own head and connects with others. Learning online isn't about finding the perfect course. It's about becoming the kind of person who knows how to learn. Curious, patient, and deliberate. The internet didn't change the fundamentals of learning. It just revealed something timeless. Knowledge was never the scarce resource. Our attention was. And the people who truly thrive in this digital age are the ones who watch the most content. They're the ones who practice the longest. So, learn less, but understand more. That's how you learn how to learn online. Thanks for watching.